Hi everyone, I hope you are all safe and healthy with your family and friends. In this video, we are going to learn about 11th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 9, Rectification of Errors, Illustration Sum number 6. The heading is, the following errors were located before the preparation of the trial balance. Rectify them. When you see the word located in the heading, you have to give the answer as journal entry. Are you clear? Let's see the transaction. First transaction. Goods sold to Anand for ₹1,000 on credit was not entered in the sales book. So goods, when you sold goods to Anand ₹1,000 on credit, what this transaction tells us? This transaction tells us credit sales. When you sold goods to Anand for credit ₹1,000. Okay, but what happened here? What is the error? Was not entered in the sales book. After sold goods on credit to Anand, they omitted to enter this account in the sales book. Okay, so we have to enter it in the journal entry. Okay, what is the journal entry for the credit sales? Anand account debtor ₹1,000 to sales account 1,000. We entered. The next transaction is an amount of ₹400 paid for repairs to the machinery stands wrongly posted to the machinery account. What this transaction tells us, what is the meaning of this transaction? When you purchased machinery, after 10 years, you repair the machinery. Okay, for some problem you repair the machinery. So this is the repair charges. You paid the repair charges for repairing the machinery stands. Okay, so what is the journal entry? Repair is the expenses. All the expenses are debited. So the correct journal entry is repairs account debtor 400 to cash account 400. When you paid cash for repairs, cash account decreases. So cash account credited. Repairs is the expenses. All expenses is to be debited. Okay. So the correct journal entry is repair account debtor 400 to cash account 400. But what is the error here? Listen the transaction again. Wrongly posted to machinery account. Instead of repair account, an accountant wrongly posted into machinery account. So what he entered on machinery account? The error journal entry is machinery account debtor 400. He entered wrongly posted into the machinery account, right? An accountant wrongly posted to the machinery account. What was that? Machinery account. He posted like machinery account debtor 400 to cash account 400. This is the wrong journal entry. Okay, instead of repairs account, an accountant wrongly posted into the machinery account. Okay, so where is the error? Error is on debit side. Credit side has two cash account. We have to compare for the both journal entry. Then only we have to identify the error. Where is error occurred? Where was the error? So on credit side, we have the cash account. Okay, cash account credited. So there is no error. Then you have to, let's see the debit side. Debit side we have repairs account debtor and machinery account debtor. Which side has the error? Debit side has the error because different accounts are posted here. Repair account is the correct entry. Because you paid for repair charges. Okay, so repair account is the correct. Repair account is debited is the correct one. Machinery account is debited is the error. Okay, now we find out the error. Where is it? Is on debit side. How do we rectify it? First we have to enter correct journal entry on debit side. Because listen, what is the transaction? An amount of ₹400 paid for repairs. So repairs account debtor to cash account. We take repairs account debtor. We have to enter here to repairs. We have to enter the correct entry, correct account. So repairs account debtor 400 we entered. Then we have to say which account is error. Machinery account. Which side machinery account is on? It is on debit side. So how do we rectify it? We have to credit it. Okay, we have to credit it only, the error will be rectified. So machinery account is on debit side, we have to credit it. So to machinery account 400 rupees we credited the machinery account. Error account we credited it here. Now it is rectified. Okay, so the rectification of the journal entry, this is the answer. Okay, the rectification of the journal entry is repairs account data 400 to machinery account, and each and every, after completed each and every journal entry, you must write the narration. You can write the narration on your own words, otherwise you can copy from the transaction. You copy the transaction fully and finally you add the word now rectified in the narration. Okay. The next transaction is salaries rupees 2000 paid to Gandhiraj was wrongly debited to his personal account in the ledger. What this transaction tells us, salary 2000 paid. Okay, up to this, what is the journal entry? Salary account data to cash account. Whenever you paid salary to your worker, your cash account decreases. Whenever your cash account decreases, cash account will be credited in the name of salary. So salary account will be debited. Okay, so salary 2000 rupees paid means salary account data 2000 rupees to cash account 2000. Okay, this is the journal entry for this transaction. Okay, where is the error? Listen, salary 2000 rupees paid to Gandhiraj was wrongly debited to his personal account in the ledger. Instead of salary account, an accountant wrongly debited in the Gandhiraj account, Gandhiraj personal account. Okay, so where was the error? How wrongly debited means the error of the journal entry. How did he posted? Gandhiraj account data 2000 rupees to cash account. Gandhiraj was wrongly debited. Listen the transaction carefully. We can easily understand what they mentioned. Okay, so instead of salary account, they wrongly debited Gandhiraj account. So debit side, Gandhiraj account debited 2000 rupees to cash account. This is the error journal entry. Okay, they wrongly entered in to his personal account, to Gandhiraj personal account. Okay, so where is the error? We have to compare both journal entry, correct journal entry and the wrong error journal entry. Credit side we have we didn't have the error. To cash account. So cash account credited, there is no error. Then we have to look at the debit side. Salary account data, Gandhiraj account data. Salary account data is the correct entry because you paid salary means salary account data. Okay, so they wrongly posted Gandhiraj account. So Gandhiraj account debited is the error. Okay, we identify the error. Where is error? Debit side has the error. Okay, then instead of salary account, they wrongly posted Gandhiraj account. Okay, how can we rectify this? The rectification of journal entry is, first you have to enter the correct entry, correct account. What is the correct account? Salary to 2000 rupees paid, which means salary account data, that is the correct account. So salary account data 2000 rupees entered on debit side. Then we have to enter the error account on rectified journal entry. Which is the error account? Gandhiraj is the error account. Gandhiraj account is the error. Wrongly posted. Okay. So where is Gandhiraj account? Gandhiraj account is on debit side. So what we have to do? We have to credit it only. The error will be rectified. So now we credited the Gandhiraj account. To Gandhiraj account 2000 rupees. Now the error is rectified. What is the journal entry for the rectification of rectified error? Salary account data 2000 rupees to Gandhiraj account 2000. You must write the narration after completed the journal, each and every journal entry. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care.